Hi there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for All to New. Today I'll be sharing how I created this really fun simple card. I'll be using the Rose Petal Washi Tape, which is one of our new washies from the March collection. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some white cardstock onto my craft mat and line it up nicely with the lines. Then I'm just going to tape down the bottom side so it doesn't move around too much, and I'm going to start laying strips of washi tape onto my paper. I'm going to slightly overlap them about an eighth of an inch, and I'm going to work my way from light to dark and then go back to light and then to dark again. And once my the whole page is full, I can use this to cut out different shapes or as a background. So I already had a piece of white smooth cardstock for my card, which I'm just going to pop on my craft mat, and I'm just going to tape it down with some really simple painter's tape so that it doesn't move around. And now I'm going to take that piece of cardstock where I had all my lovely stripes on it, and I'm just going to pop the excess, which is over the border, onto the card, and that way I'm going to use all of those lovely little washi pieces. I'm just going to cut off everything that is on the side, and I'm even going to use those little pieces, that way nothing goes to waste. I'm going to do the same here. I'm just going to take another sheet of cardstock here and just stick down those edges, and that way I can use that on a next layout. So here you can see the card with those lovely little strips of washi tape, and I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm just going to take one of the All to New butterfly stickers, and I'm going to take all that tacky off just by using some anti-static powder, and I'm going to add a couple of foam dots in the middle for dimension. And before popping down the butterfly, I'm just going to stamp a sentiment, and then I'll just add the butterfly, and that's my finished card. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you so much for joining me. For more information about all the products used in this video, please visit the All to New scrapbook blog, and have a lovely creative day. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.